Do you live in a cornfield? Because I'm going to stalk you. Do you work at Starbucks? Because I like you. A latte. Are you a magician? Because whenever I look at you, everyone disappears. I don't have a library card, but can I check you out? Are you Australian? Because you meet all of my qualifications. If I said that you had a nice body, would you hold it against me? You look so familiar. Didn't we have a class together? I swore we had chemistry. Are you a banana? Because I find you appealing. I was feeling a little off today, but you just turned me on. Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see. So, are you from Russia? Because you're rushing my heart rate. Are you a magician? Because abracadam. Excuse me, is your name Earl Grey? Because you look like a hot day. I seem to have lost my phone number. May I have yours? Are you a parking ticket? Because you got fine written all over you. Do you know what my shirt is made of? Girlfriend material.